Sometime
We're in a celebratory mood.
champagne to enhance this moment. Yeah.
And so the question was asked by one of our subscriber. And the question is, what keep us together for so long? As for me, I can say I truly, truly love my husband and I really, really appreciate him. Although I know sometimes he thinks I don't, but yeah, I do. Ah, some things that I do to keep the relationship is I do a little something sometimes. Sometimes I just surprise him by doing a nice little dinner. I take him out before and I don't sweep anything under the carpet. If anything happen, I am the first to want to speak about it, want to talk about it. It's like I can't keep in things for too long. I'm at the age now where I don't think I can keep in things in me for too long. Whenever time like something go wrong between us, and I just be spontaneous. I am spontaneous. And I think those are some of the things that keep the relationship and keep us together. I try to please my husband.
You don't try and do it.
Okay. So I please my husband, right? So I say I try, he said I don't try, I do. So those are some of the things that I really, really know that I do to keep the relationship. We try to please each other. We try to forgive each other when things happen because we will hurt each other. Not intentional, but it do happen. Yeah, it do happen because we are two different people from two different backgrounds. You know, we don't get up and intentionally want to hurt each other, but it is going to happen. So when that happens, you just have to just forgive and move on. So yeah, that's what I do. What
And
says you?
a lot of people ask a question, what to do to keep a relationship going. It is no rocket science. It is something very simple. And it is love. Love. Yeah, love. It's just simple love, yeah, just simple love. But a lot of people do not know the definition of love. Because love is not a feeling. And there's no relationship that can last or feeling because feelings will change. Take for instance today I feel good about my wife. Yes, the relationship will carry on and everything will go well. Tomorrow morning I don't feel good. What is going to take place? We're going to quit it? No. Feelings, emotion is an ingredient of love, but it's not the totality of love. Love comes with a lot of sacrifice. If I love you, I make a lot of sacrifice. I displease myself to please you. I put you first. I ensure that you are all in all. I will do everything to make you happy. Love. Love is also commitment. I ensure that I commit to you. Love is also communication. We have to talk a lot. If we do not talk, we will not understand each other. Relationship is based upon also friendship. Because there will come a time when our relationship will go down the hill, and because of the friendship that we have, we turn to that friendship. Relationship does not work out for us. Um, compromise. We have to compromise in a relationship also. Because I may do something, and because I enjoy doing it, I realize that you don't want to do it. I have to deprive myself of doing it and meet in the middle. That's why it was not do it for myself, but it's also for you. This is the main intention of a relationship is just basically pleasing the person, put your person first. For instance, if I put you first and you put me first, we have no problem in the relationship. So it is no rocket science. It is love, but it is something of so many different components and the relationship that we create.
Ah, Wonderful. Cheers to another 10 years.
And you receive many, many, many more years because of what? Mutual respect also.
Yeah.
Yeah, respect. Because of what we have for each other. I want to see the best of you and you want to see the best of me. I feel that each morning when I walk and I see you in my life, I consider that it as a blessing. And everybody wants blessing. But do everybody recognize what is a blessing? Because a lot of people can surround with the things that they don't have and forget to give God thanks for the things that they have. Appreciation, and here is that word also. It goes a far way as in relationship. Because the moment you show me that you appreciate the things that I have done for you, and vice versa, encourage me to continue to do more. Put something inside of me to say, look here, really appreciate it. Look here, I may not be able to give you the word, but the little that I give unto you, you appreciate it. And that says a lot for me. So it encourages me. So it is no rocket science. It is just love, and love cover a multitude of things that you have to add. And these are very powerful words. Forgiveness. Forgiveness is something that is very powerful because it doesn't matter how good you are, you're going to hurt me. And I'm going to hurt you. So what happens when I hurt you? You have to come to a stage where you will forgive me in spite of. That was a choice. And people must understand this. You cannot do nothing for me to stop loving because I choose to love you. You don't love person for a reason because if I love you for a reason, the moment I stop loving you, sorry, the moment you stop being the reason to love me, are you saying that I'm going to stop loving you? No, love is more than that. Yeah. I love you. Wow.
Cheers for another 50 years. Let me not say 10. Oh, you're blown away.
I just speak from my heart. It is true.
I speak from my heart.
God bless you in that platform. You know the greatest achievement I have. This is what I believe in my life. And you bring out the best in me. And that is what I think that a relationship must do. A relationship must see where God is leading from one stage to another stage. Where you become better, bitter, better. And then the relationship which can stay bitter.
Alright, so you hear that, guys? You have to become better and not bitter. And most of the time we are bitter with our partner because of simple little things that we can overlook, or we can forgive them. We just keep holding on to it. Love is wonderful. Love is pure. Love is kind. Love is not pop.
Patient.
Love is patient. Oh my God, there's so much.
But you see the real,
So much.
for anybody to love still, you have to have the Holy Spirit. Because He is the essence of love. And He is the one who show you how to love. Because I don't care who you are, if you don't have the Holy Spirit, if you don't have Jesus Christ in you, you cannot love. Because if you don't have it, things will happen and you become impatient. When you have the Holy Spirit, you will have the fruit of the Spirit. And the fruit of the Spirit. Believe in yourself, control. It will make you be humble. Because one of the things when human being realize that they have certain authority and certain power, they think so it is just natural for them to take authority over the other person. But because you have the gift of the Holy Spirit, or the Spirit of God within you, you are able to humble yourself. Yeah, love is kind. Love is pure. And sharing. To do that. Love is not puffed up. All of these things come with love. So before anybody thinks to fall in love, you need to know the real definition of love. And for you to know the real definition of love, you have to know Jesus Christ.
Oh Lord, I'm serious. He has to be the middleman. He has to be in the middle. Yeah, that's what I learn and I get to understand. you know, and it is so true. It is so true. Because before Christ, we were like yapping at each other, guys.
Full of pride.
I mean, yeah,
Full of
him
pride.
full of pride, me
Ego.
full of pride. I mean,
Ego.
him full of pride with him ego, and me full of my pride, right? And you know, I have my dignity, and I'm like, I'm not going to let no one lower my dignity. And I have my pride, and I have self-confidence, and I'm like, you know, but with all of that,
But what would you say most of all that you really love about it?
there's a lot of things that I love about you. You are multi-talented. You are good with your hands. You are very, very good with your hands, and I love that. You're a good provider. You're a good husband. There's just many things. You're a man of God. You love God. Into this relationship thing, not knowing the true meaning of love or the true definition of love, you know. But with over time we grow to love each other and appreciate each other. I remember one time back then, if I say to my husband, you know, honey, blah 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 blah, oh no, I never used to say honey, like, I mean, I would call him by his name, right? His alias name, and I would call him and I would say something to him, and he would like, and you know, he just get on top of my nerves and just start go off and all of that. That was devastating. But with God, all things are possible, and all things will happen once God is there. He's our master. He's our redeemer.
One of the things that I do love about you is that you are, I can simply say that you are a people person. You respect people, you love people, and there is no thing that is too good for you to give to somebody, especially a person that is young, and especially a person that is old. You tend to look at the person that is rich and that they are taking care of. And I really love that about you. You don't look for hype. Things that you tend to do, you tend to do undercover. Nobody has to know about it. Nobody has to know that it's you. You do it for your love, for your life. You do it because you see the reason to do it, you need to do it. And I love that part. Because a lot of persons today, they get too to get fame, not you. So there and there, I know that you do whatever you do, you do it from the depths of your heart. That you love to cook. Because honestly, I remember love cook food. I remember the first time that I encountered it and I realized that you are a very good cook. I called my mother and my mother said, okay, from your wife. And then there and then I was looking for my wife. I wasn't looking for anybody, but the quality that I see in you, the thing that I see in you, I realized that okay, you have all the quality that I'm looking for in a lady. But that's totally good to me. And that's you.
Wow. Thank you for acknowledging that. I appreciate that.
You're special to me, man. I tell you different. When I was going to the other church, I think that you're special to me so much that I think that.
Hey guys, what's up? What's up? I know you guys may be wondering where we're at, but as you all know, today is our anniversary, and I decided not to go out to a fancy restaurant. I decided that from day one, I have decided that I wanted to cook something special for myself and my husband. So these are some of the ingredients that I'm going to use. All right, so I don't know if I can show you everything, but I will try to show you what I can show you. I will try to capture what I can capture to show you. You know, all the things go already with me. I am always going to keep you guys informed. So I am going to use some salmon and shrimp. So I gone ahead and I have cleaned that up and all of that. So let's go. I have a lot to do. So I'm just going to pat dry my shrimp. You will see what I am going to do with these shrimp, right? as we go along. And these are some real jumbo shrimp. I know that he will love these because he loves shrimp. I guess that's the only seafood thing that he loves, the shrimp and fish. Alright, so let us just pat dry. Finish with my shrimp, and I have seasoned it, and I have seasoned my salmon. And you can go ahead and remove the skin from your salmon. Alrighty. So I'm about to just wash my cherry tomatoes. Alright guys, so I will be doing some grilling. So I will be doing some grilled salmon and grilled shrimp. Right, and you will see how I put those together. You're going to look and see how those come together. Alright. So we're going to use this tray here to do our grilling. Alright, we're going to place our salmon on top of it. And also our shrimp as well. I'm going to try to let it hold. I am going to try to let it hold both of them on it. So alright guys, so after I have grilled my salmon and my shrimp, this is what I do. I make a wrap, and in order to seal it and to get it just a little caramel and looking lovely, I put it in, I just tip a little bit of olive oil just to baste the pot. If you notice, there's no oil in the pot, and you know, I just bounce it around, and there it goes. I get my wrap. So I'm going to go ahead now, and I'm going to deal with my grilled shrimp. So our kebab has finished guys, so that's it over there. And I have some grill wrap, some salmon grill wrap, and I also have cheese grill wrap. You know, I can't make too much because it's just myself and Mr. Myers, so I will just continue to prepare my stuff, and I will just show you as I go along what I prepare and how I prepare it. But the thing is, you're not gonna see from start to finish because I'm trying to hurry, and you all know it's a special day. Alright, so let me not say no more, so just stay with me and see what I will do. Alright, so guys, I have this little stand here that you can display things on. Trust me, I go in search for this. Trust me, I search until I find what I really want. So I don't know if I can set it up, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try set it up myself. And it is easily, I don't think it is hard to set up. So may I try something, guys, and it'll work. Yeah. Brother. So guys, I am going to transform right here into a picnic area. I'm going to transform here into a picnic area. So stay tuned and you'll see the work that I am going to put down. Mr. Myers, when Mr. Myers come and see this, you know, say, him have a good wife. Don't people? Me alone take on the task here. Can you imagine? Anyways, let me start because time ago. Alright, one thing alone here. So guys, I finished my little setting up and this is it. Picnic for two on this special day. And if you're anything like me, a perfectionist, yeah, I try to get everything together. The sun is shining, so you know you're going to literally see my shadow in the video. All right, the sun kind of dim, so you can go ahead and like it, share it, give me your honest opinion. All right, so we have some jelly coconut over here. We have fruit cake or Christmas fruit cake. I literally baked this. I took this from home. I have a huge chocolate there. I have some pistachio and some almond, and those are some baked salmon wrap, some grilled salmon wrap, sorry, some grilled salmon wrap, and I have some cheese wrap as well. That's our champagne, and that is our shrimp kebab, and over here is our sweet tooth, and that's plantain tarch and some coconut something of another, that one is, and these are some grapes. My husband love orange juice. That's another champagne. Water. Yeah, so this is it. Picnic for two. Simple, easy,